Hello, my dear students. 9 vocational. How are you? Hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear students, in my last class, I discussed about question number 1 and 2. Question number 1 was the MCQ, that was from scene comprehension, and question number 2 answer the question open-ended questions, that was from your text or scene comprehension. Okay, fine. I hope you have realized the question number 1 and 2. Today I am discussing about unseen comprehension. Students, you know that in your question paper there will be an unseen comprehension. That means this passage or comprehension you did not see in your class or during your class. This is completely an unseen passage, and from that passage you will answer 3 and 4 questions. Number 3, first of all, you should read the text. There will be a text. Text means unseen passage, and answer the questions 3 and 4. 2 types of questions will be taken from the text. And now I am discussing about question number 3. Question number 3, the language of the question. Fill in each gap with a suitable word from the box given below. Students, there will be a box and you will fill the gap given your clue. Students, suppose I am reading an unseen passage. The environment refers to the air, water and land in which people, animals and plants live. So, human beings, animals, plants, air, water and soil are the main elements of the environment. The natural forces such as storms, cyclones and earthquakes are also a part of this environment. Climate is thus a condition of the environment. All things that make up the environment are interrelated. Suppose this is a passage. You should perform from this passage. Now I am writing the gaps passage. Students, you know that question number 3 there will be a gap passage. That means gap passage means, suppose this is box. I am writing the gap passage. All things of the environment Number A, this is gap. Interconnected. In this way there will be other words. You will have to fill total 4 gaps. There will be 4 gaps. For each gap, you will get only 1 mark. So the mark, every gap you will get only 1 mark. You should perform 4 gaps. When you will fill all the 4 gaps, then you will get 4 marks. Otherwise, you will not the marks fully. So, in this way, from the unseen passage, there will be a gap passage, and in the gap passage, there will be 4 gaps. You should fill all the gaps, giving the words from the box. Students, now I am discussing about question number 4. This will be from the unseen passage. Students, there will be a passage. You know that I discussed some before. They are the unseen passage. Question number 4. Question number 4. Write a summary. Write a summary. Summary of the above passage. What passage given you? The mark is 5. This passage, how will you write the summary? How to write a summary? Actually, a summary means the gist of the passage. You know that every text has a summary. Every text has a summary, so according to the meaning, to evaluate the meaning, you should establish a theme from your unseen passage. The passage which I read before, it is the responsibility of human beings to prevent the environment from being spoiled. To make life healthy and comfortable, we should keep the environment clean and danger free. But often people spoil the environment by doing unwise things, and as a result endanger their own lives. It is the ecological imbalance that causes changes in the world's climate and brings about different kinds of natural disasters. So, dear students, you should write a summary from the unseen passage. First of all, you should read the passage again and again and try your best to understand the passage, and then you will write a gist, a short note, very short note from the unseen passage. Then you will, I hope you will establish a perfect theme from the about the passage, and then you will get 5 marks. Students, you are the vocational students, so don't worry. English, you know that English is an international language. This is our second language. Our mother tongue is Bengali. Of course, to establish your mother tongue, you should have to perform the language criteria. Then we will go through the English version. English version, of course, we need English version because our Our actual textbooks, our important textbooks are in English version. So you should understand the better English for your future career. So don't worry. I hope you will understand the better. You will stay at your home, stay free and safe and healthy. So your examination will be held today, tomorrow. You should practice the text every day, 3 or 4 passages at your home. Don't worry. Thank you for all.